Hey guys, watch me make some glitter earrings to restock for a vendor's fair that I'm getting ready to go to. I'm just going to use some UV resin and some black glitter. That's what this is right here. The glitter I got from Artsy on Etsy, and just a regular UV resin that I got on Amazon. The mold also I got from Hobby Lobby for this earring mold, and I love it. And I'm only using UV resin with this, and because it cures and you have a fast production time. I like to go through and fill up all of the ones that I'm going to use, and then I'll put this one in the UV light, and you'll see me come back and I'll add the same colors to another mold, because I'll have to get all the molds done at one time. I try to fill the mold almost 100%. If not, I go back in and add a clear top on the back, especially for me to put the connectors onto. Here you see me with that second mold. The first mold is in the UV, under the UV light, and I run it twice on 60 seconds, so 120 seconds. I'll run it 2 full times on that. You'll see me using the toothpick just to stretch it out, especially molds that have a lot of little connecting small pieces. I try to use a toothpick or something else to just pull those, pull the resin all the way to the end pieces. You see me just topping off with the clear and the black just to make sure that the mold is nice and full. Okay, everything is all cured. Now we're going to demold them. I check them, inspect everything, make sure there was no spillovers, make sure it's feeling good, looking good. I like the way those turned out. I'm going to demold the rest of them. Just inspecting, making sure everything is nice. I'll get a better close-up view in a little bit. I forgot to show, but I did attach the backs to the stud part of this. After it was under the UV resin for a little while, I went back in with the stud part and then just put a little clear on the top. Now you see me adding the hooks so that I can add the hook for the earrings. So I just have a small jump ring, and then I attach the hook with the small jump ring. And because, like I said, I'm getting ready for a vendor fair, I like to go ahead and put them on my display cards, and I just keep them like that. This one was giving me a little bit of a trouble, so you see I switched to 2 tweezers. Also, I don't know why I had such butterfingers and I could not keep it in my hands, but there it is, all put together. It's clear on the top and clear on the bottom, and I hope you love it. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and come back and watch more videos.